Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to set up cross-project dependencies in Zoho Project, your 2025 guide. First up, you'll need to open the Zoho Project app. Once there, locate and click on the Projects tab. This is where all your projects are listed and is the starting point for setting up dependencies. Remember, dependencies ensure that tasks across projects are done in the right sequence, improving efficiency. Next up, choose the project you want to set dependencies for. Click on the project name, then navigate to the Task List section. This is where you'll be creating dependencies, which help us by linking tasks together so that the progress of one task influences another. Now, click the More Actions dropdown in the task you want to set a dependency for and select Set Dependency. This is where you define the relationship between tasks. Let me explain why this matters. Setting dependencies helps keep your projects on track, preventing one delayed task from derailing the whole project. In the pop-up that appears, you'll see two fields, Depends On and Blocks. Add tasks in the relevant fields based on their relationship with the task you selected. The reason we do this is to establish the order of tasks and ensure that everyone is clear on what needs to happen first. Finally, click Save to apply the dependencies. Now that we've done that, Zoho Project will automatically adjust the schedule of tasks based on the dependencies you've set. This helps us because it reduces the manual effort of rescheduling tasks and maintains the project timeline. And there you have it. You've just set up cross-project dependencies in Zoho Project. It's a simple yet powerful way to manage your projects effectively and efficiently. Remember, when tasks are interconnected, achieving project goals becomes a whole lot smoother. Thanks for tuning in, and until the next time, keep your projects running smoothly with Zoho Project.